Welcome to this watercolor sunrise painting tutorial. First wet the entire paper with clean water. This is the wet on wet technique which helps color blend smoothly. Apply a light wash of yellow at the horizon. Gradually add shades of orange and red as you move upwards, creating a smooth gradient. Next, use dark blue and purple to paint the silhouette of mountains just above the horizon. Add a bright yellow or white circle above the mountains for the sun. Finally, use black or dark brown to paint coconut trees, framing the sunrise and adding balance to the composition. This demonstrates layering and gradation, building up colors to create depth and dimension. Enjoy the process and happy painting!